What if I told you two ships carrying Russian oil were hit deadly attacks into the hours apart right next to Turkey, and one of them screamed Mayday, Mayday as it burned into the Black Sea? Stay with me, because what happened in these waters could change the entire balance of war. Yesterday, the oil tanker VIRAT, sailing under the Gambian flag, sent a desperate Mayday, Mayday call. According to early reports, a drone bot slammed into the vessel. Well, the impact was so strong that the crew thought that the ship might sink. The attack came less than in 24 hours after another attack, the KAIROS, suddenly caught fire into the Turkish coast. Officials say that it was caused by an external factor, which could mean a missile, a naval drone, a sea mine, or even underwater vehicle. And that one line has raised serious alarms. Both ships were carrying Russian crude, and both were on the routes watched closely because of the Western sanctions. So, now big question is, was it targeted? Rescue team managed to save all of the crew members, but the huge plunge of the black smoke rose high into the sky. People on the Turkish coast recorded the flames from miles away. For many, this is the closest they've seen into the Russian-Ukraine conflict. Come to the next doorstep, and here's the twist. The attack took place in one of the most busiest and the most strategic oil corridors in the region. If someone is now targeting the tankers here, it could disrupt the fuel supply, global trade, and even drag more countries into the conflict. Experts say that they are worried that this may not be a random, but it could be a warning. It could be a retaliation, or it could be a new phase of the war into the Black Sea. Right now, investigators are trying to confirm whether the drone missiles or the miles were used. But one thing is clear, the Black Sea has become a front line again, and the world is watching. Well, what do you think? Are these isolated attacks or the start of something bigger? Tell me what you think in the comments.